Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. This video, I will be sharing with you guys a few of the best new launches that I have been impressed with and that have made my list of products I would recommend. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I have 15 years experience in luxury beauty retail, and I do product reviews on luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally I might share a luxury accessory review or vlog here and there. So today, you guys, I rounded up a few of the best new launches that I have tried, and these have made it to the list of products I recommend. I would recommend there is skincare, and most of it is makeup as well. So let us quickly begin. The first product I want to share with you guys is a skincare product. This is an eye cream or an eye treatment. It is from Estee Lauder. It is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Lift and Sculpt. This is how she looks. So if you're familiar with Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair, it is their line, their best-selling line that has the iconic Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is the newest eye care from that range, and it's the eye lift and sculpt. This was to mimic actual medical treatments or eye lifting procedures. It addresses all the signs of aging. I have been using this since I received this. This is the only eye care product I have been reaching for. The reason for this is immediately on my first impression, like my first try on, I felt the lifting and the sculpting. I don't know how to describe it, but it was so unique. And basically, since using this, I really have not noticed the wrinkling under my eye as much as I used to. This was always a problem area for me, especially now that I'm in my 40s. Like, whatever concealer I use, no matter how good or how, holy grail it is, I just can't get away from the wrinkling under my eye, and midday it starts to look crepey and patchy, and it will always fall into the creases of my wrinkles, whatever amazing concealer I use. But since I started using this, none of that. I don't even recognize or realize any of the wrinkling anymore. Concealer just sits better and hardly any wrinkle issues. The next one that I have been really using for quite a while, and after I first tried it, I never put it down. It's what I always reach for, and this is a brand I don't usually try or gravitate towards, but it's from Too Faced. It's the Ribbon Wrapped Lash Mascara. This is a tubing mascara. So tubing, it's like a certain kind of formulation for a mascara where it, like a tube, it like, what's the word? It wraps around every lash, and it's also easier to remove, and I could not find a better one. I've been familiar with tubing mascaras for the longest time, but this one just gives you definition and length without the messiness or the clumping of the formula or the fallout. It is just so beautiful, especially for daily use. For those office girlies, this is something I would recommend. It's very clean, it just defines, it lengthens, but also volumizes ever so slightly. It's just a very beautiful, natural defined lash that you could wear every day. And it also is very clean. It's not messy at all. And it's also very weird, but it's very easy to remove. Like, I don't get any difficulty in removing it or having to go in multiple times with a micellar water or cleanser. So I would highly recommend this. I have not put this down as well. The next one is a powder. This is from Patrick Starr's One Size. This is the Bushel, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Silk Airbrush Talc-Free Powder. This is a baked powder. This is such a beautiful setting powder. This reminds me of Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. That is a baked powder as well. So with baked powders, it just gives you, it's a setting powder, but it gives you that beautiful, almost veil-like kind of I don't know if you guys can see that. A veil-like kind of finish, where this one is a very, it says it's supposed to be light, but it just looks airbrushed. That's how it looks. This is talc-free, so I know that a lot of the formulas now are reformulated being talc-free, and not everyone is happy about it, but I am very happy with this one, you guys. It is such a beautiful finishing powder. It reminds me of the Givenchy Prisme Libre powders, the loose one. Of course, not as good, but very close for a pressed powder too. I think makes it very functional. This is such a beautiful powder, and very impressed with this. If you want like a soft focus, kind of blurred, soft, just beautiful, you're not adding weight or pigmentation or color, this is a beautiful setting powder. For lip, Kylie Cosmetics launched their glossy lip kit, and I am so impressed, especially with a lip pencil. So this one I've been reaching for on a daily. So this is a glossy lip kit in Kylie. Let me show you. And I have a few products on my lip, but I did top off with this. So this is in Kylie. I am very impressed with this applicator as well. It's very pliable, and it's just the right size for the lip. I don't know, for the formula, it just is so beautiful. And this is the lip liner in Kylie. So they're both in Kylie, and so this lip liner is absolutely amazing. Honestly, you guys, even if I'm not using this lip gloss on top, I reach for this every day because it has beautiful defining features. It doesn't get in my creases, and it just applies beautifully. It glides on my lip without being too creamy. It's just a beautiful lip definer. So definitely this one, not to mention the formula of the gloss is so beautiful, and the finish as well, I would highly recommend. So this is the Kylie lip kit in Kylie, the glossy lip kits. I think for the price and the quality of the formula and the lip liner, I would recommend it. New launch, this one is limited edition, though I was thinking if I should include this, but I will, because you can still get it. It's the Hourglass Ambient Edit palette in the Swan palette. Now the reason why I really like this is that for the first time, it has most of these shades are usable for me. They're not repeats from other palettes. They're all unique shades, but the one I love the most is they have dim light ambient powder that I can set my whole face with. They have a beautiful highlighter and a bronzer that is really up my alley when I talk about skin tones. So very functional and useful. Of course, the formula is very beautiful. There's no question with that. But I have been reaching for this on the daily, and if you get a chance, I would highly recommend this, especially if you're light, your skin tone is light to medium, like a MAC NC30 or a Dior 20 or 2N, or even a Chanel 30. This is going to be very useful for you and very functional. You can use this beyond the fall, and of course the formula, I would recommend it. I haven't spoken about these ones, but I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek. This was a holiday as well. I'm probably going to do a video on these. These are the YSL products from the holiday collection. Look how beautiful the packaging. But the one I want to talk about for this video is the Candy Glaze in Shimmer Rose. I have it as a base now. I did not even wait to film it or do anything. I just had to try it immediately after purchasing, and I have been using this daily ever since I purchased it. This is such a beautiful like lip balm lipstick hybrid, but the color is just amazing, you guys. Like on its own, I don't even need a topper or a gloss. I like a shiny lip, so I never do a matte. But this one, Shimmer Rose in the Candy Glaze of the new YSL, I am putting it in this video because if you can get your hands on it, highly recommend. This is a lip you can use on a daily for those girls who like minimal look, or office girlies, or for corporate. This is something that you can use on a daily and keep in your handbag. So those are a few of the new launches that I am very impressed with, and I would highly recommend. These are products that you can definitely get your hands on, and The reason I'm sharing it right now is because you still could. I will put the links of all these products down below, you guys. And if you have any questions, as always, you can leave it in the comments down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.